important concept in finance is the beta of a stock. So the beta of a stock sort of estimates the sensitivity of the stock to changes in the market. So a beta of 2 would mean every time the market goes up 1%, that sort of will cause in the sense of 2% increase in the price of the stock. Okay, or a 1% increase in the return on the market will cause a 2% increase in the return on the stock. A beta of minus 0.5 would mean, in general, an increase in the return on the market of 1% would cause the stock to drop by 0.5%. Now, almost every stock has a positive beta because most stocks are tied to the market in general. So in the file beta temp, we'll show you how to efficiently find the beta of a bunch of stocks. So we have the type of market index return. We'll use the Standard & Poor's 500. So suppose you quickly want to find column F through, how many stocks do I have there? Just count them. Well, I use the count function. That's what I should do. That we learned earlier. Count A function, sorry. So how many stocks do I have there? So I got 13 stocks, and let's suppose you're given 30 seconds to find the beta of each stock. Well, the beta is the slope when you run a regression where Y is the return on the market and X is, Y is the return on the stock and X is the return on the market. Okay. So I could just use the Excel slope function with the appropriate dollar sign. Slope. You're trying to predict the return on the stock, and then you should put a comma, and you should use the X variable as being the return on the market, but you need to dollar sign that, because when you copy it across, you always want to be pulling the return on the market. Okay, so if I copy that across, I will have all the betas. Now, those stocks that are sort of more volatile than the market are those with a beta that exceed 1. So we can quickly highlight those. Conditional formatting, home conditional formatting, highlight cells greater than 1. So those are stocks that are more volatile than the market. You don't want to have those stocks if you think you're going to a bear market. For instance, Goldman Sachs is 43% more volatile than the market. And if you think the market's going down, you'll probably get clobbered with that. Now, Walmart is nice there. It's sort of the lowest beta of the stocks there. So it's less tied to the market, which makes sense because people who want a good deal are going to go to Walmart in general. And basically, if the market goes down and the economy is doing poorly, Walmart might do a little bit better because people can't afford to go to the higher-end stores like Target and Costco. So I think that makes some sense there. But notice every beta that we have for these 15 stocks is positive, proving our point that basically when the market goes up, stocks tend to go up, and you can't assume that stocks are going to sort of be independent of the market. In other words, once you know the market is going to have a good day, it's fairly clear that the stock will have a good day. And we'll talk about regression to the mean in the sports context in the next video. But basically, the comments in that video basically will help you understand basically the meaning of the beta of the stock and the correlation. Okay, well that's all we have here on this quick video on how to compute the beta of the stock.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytic stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.